Every great journey begins with the absolute purity of nature, where vast groves of emerald leaves catch the first golden rays of the morning sun. These vibrant fruits absorb the full essence of the earth and sky, preparing for a miraculous transformation through the lens of modern industrial precision. Behold the raw beauty of perfection, where every drop of dew signifies the freshness and vitality found within the heart of our sun-drenched orchards. Our journey continues with the introduction of high-tech automated harvesters that carefully select only the ripest fruits, using gentle vibrations and sophisticated mechanical precision. The rhythmic sound of fruit falling into soft nets marks the start of the collection process, ensuring that every single orange remains perfectly intact. Sustainability meets efficiency as electric carts transport the harvest across the field, minimizing our carbon footprint while maintaining the highest standards of agricultural care. The crates are gathered and moved toward our state-of-the-art facility, a place where nature's bounty meets the cutting edge of modern industrial engineering and design. As the sun climbs higher, the oranges arrive at the gates of innovation, ready to be refined into the pure liquid gold of nature's finest. The first step inside the facility begins with a cascade of color, as thousands of oranges are introduced to the beginning of the production line. A river of citrus flows toward the cleansing stations, beginning a series of movements designed to ensure only the cleanest fruits proceed further in production. Efficiency is the key to preserving freshness, and our advanced conveyor systems move the fruit with a speed that mirrors the pulse of technology. They dive into the purification stage, where the dance of water begins to strip away the dust of the fields, leaving behind only pure fruit. The purification process is an essential ritual, transforming the harvest into a clean slate as it passes through our high-capacity, oxygenated water flume systems. Powerful high-pressure jets target every square millimeter of the orange peel, ensuring that no impurity remains on the surface of our precious raw materials. Cleansing is not just about hygiene. It is a profound gesture of respect toward the ingredients that will eventually become the fuel for your body. Soft bristle rotating brushes perform a delicate mechanical massage, polishing the skin of each orange until it shines with a natural, healthy, and vibrant glow. The rhythm of the machinery reflects the heartbeat of the factory, where every rotation is calibrated to provide the perfect balance of friction and care. Following the wash, a blast of warm, purified air instantly dries the fruit, preparing the surface for the highly advanced optical sensors that lie ahead. Notice the absolute clarity of the texture. We ensure that the outer shell is as pristine as the liquid gold that waits patiently within it. This environment of total cleanliness sets the stage for the next phase of our journey, where technology begins to analyze the quality of nature. As the oranges ascend, they enter the zone of digital scrutiny, where human eyes are replaced by the unfailing precision of modern artificial intelligence. The eye of technology scans each piece of fruit, measuring size, weight, and color at a speed that is invisible to the human naked eye. Advanced AI algorithms process data in milliseconds, identifying even the smallest imperfections that would otherwise go unnoticed by even the most trained quality experts. With surgical precision, mechanical sorting arms remove any fruit that does not meet our strict standards, ensuring only the most perfect candidates move forward. Nothing is wasted, but only the elite selection is permitted to continue toward the extraction phase, where the true essence of the fruit is revealed. Consistency is the soul of quality. These perfect specimens are now ready to be transformed into the juice that will soon reach your table. We enter the heart of the facility, a high-pressure environment of medical-grade steel, where the most critical step of the entire process takes place. Precision extraction is about to begin. We use a sophisticated method that pierces the fruit without crushing the bitter oils from the outer peel. In one swift motion, the liquid life of the orange is released, flowing freely into the collection tubes in a vibrant display of natural energy. This is the moment of metamorphosis, where a solid fruit becomes a flowing golden river of nutrients, vitamins, and pure concentrated sunshine. The industrial symphony continues, as dozens of units work in perfect harmony to harvest the liquid soul from thousands of oranges every single hour. Using centrifugal force, we gently separate the excess pulp and seeds, refining the texture to ensure a smooth and satisfying drinking experience for everyone. The juice travels through a sterile network of glass and steel, protected from the air to prevent oxidation and keep the flavor perfectly fresh. It eventually pools in our massive stabilization tanks, where the temperature is carefully controlled to lock in that just-picked taste and nutritional value. Our quality control team performs rigorous tests on every batch, ensuring that the color, acidity, and sweetness are consistent with our premium brand promise. Data-driven decisions guide our process, leaving no room for error as we strive to deliver the absolute peak of natural flavor and health benefits. The stage is set for packaging. Thousands of crystal clear glass bottles march in formation, ready to receive the golden treasure of the orchard. Before they are filled, every bottle undergoes a rigorous sterilization process using ultraviolet light and steam to ensure a completely aseptic environment. The filling process is a marvel of fluid dynamics, as the juice is injected into the bottles at high speed with zero splashing or waste. In just a few seconds, the empty vessel is transformed into a container of pure energy, ready to be sealed and preserved for your enjoyment. A vacuum seal is created as the caps are applied, locking out the air and preserving the natural nutrients without the need for artificial preservatives. Every bottle is inspected one last time by our automated systems, ensuring that the volume and seal are exactly right before leaving the line. Labels are applied with incredible speed and precision, wrapping the product in a brand identity that stands for quality, health, and natural purity. The final look is as polished as the process itself, reflecting the meticulous attention to detail that we apply to every single step of production. Individual bottles are organized into units, ready to be bundled together for their journey to stores and homes around the world. Robotic precision takes over the heavy lifting, packing the finished products with a speed and accuracy that no human hand could ever achieve. The boxes are sealed and tracked, ready for distribution across the globe, carrying the very best of our harvest to your doorstep. The scale of our logistics is a testament to our commitment to bringing the taste of the orchard to as many people as possible. As the day comes to a close, the final shipments are loaded, beginning the final leg of the journey from the soil to the soul. Miles of highway lie ahead, but the freshness is locked inside, protected by the technology and passion that went into every single drop. The moment of anticipation arrives when you reach for that cold bottle, knowing that you are about to experience the pinnacle of natural flavor. Listen to the sound of pure refreshment as the juice fills your glass, a vibrant celebration of everything that nature and technology have achieved together. The journey is complete, and the reward is yours to savor. Experience the dance of precision and the essence of the sun in every sip. From our fields to your table, we deliver the heart of the harvest. Thank you for choosing the very best that nature has to offer. Pure taste, pure technology, pure life. Our brand, the quintessence of nature, perfected for you. Discover the difference today. The cycle continues, a never-ending commitment to quality and the pursuit of the perfect orange juice, morning after morning, year after year. Every drop is a promise of health and vitality, a liquid testament to the hard work of our farmers and the brilliance of our engineers. We capture the raw energy of the fruit and bottle it with care, ensuring that none of its natural magic is lost in the process. Inside these silent giants, the harvest is protected, waiting for the perfect moment to be shared with families across the globe. Our verification systems work tirelessly, capturing images of every bottle to ensure that our standard of perfection is met every single time. The marriage of mechanical grace and industrial power creates a product that is as beautiful to look at as it is delicious to drink. Ink meets paper in a flash of color, creating the identity of the world's most trusted orange juice, a symbol of health and transparency. Even the smallest components are handled with care, part of a massive ecosystem working in total unison to create excellence. Science is our guide, helping us to understand the complex chemistry of flavor and ensuring that every bottle is naturally perfect. From this single point of origin, our reach extends across continents, bringing the sunshine of the grove to cities and towns everywhere. We are already preparing for the next season, nurturing the trees and the soil to ensure a sustainable future for our children. Nature does the heavy lifting, and we are simply the stewards of its incredible bounty, working in harmony with the environment. Time and patience are the secret ingredients that no machine can replace, allowing the sun to work its slow and steady magic. Even in the quiet of the night, the spirit of innovation never sleeps, as we prepare for another day of perfection. The connection between the land and the lab is unbreakable, a partnership that defines who we are and what we stand for. Cold chain technology ensures that the temperature never rises, protecting the delicate flavors that make our juice so unique and refreshing. The wait is over as the product reaches its destination, standing tall among the rest as a beacon of quality and natural goodness. This is why we do what we do, to provide the moments of connection and health that start every great day for families. The beauty of the liquid is undeniable, a symphony of color and movement that signals the presence of true, unadulterated freshness. We believe in a circular world where every part of the fruit is utilized, returning nutrients back to the soil that gave them life. The grove is our home, and we treat every tree with the individual care it needs to thrive and produce its best fruit. Total oversight ensures total quality, as our engineers monitor every variable from temperature to flow rate in real time, around the clock. Simplicity is the ultimate sophistication, and there is nothing more simple or more perfect than a single drop of our juice. Our name is a hallmark of trust, built on decades of experience and an unwavering passion for the art of juice making. As a new day begins, a new fleet departs, carrying our promise to every corner of the world with pride and dedication. From the branch to the bottle, every second is accounted for, every movement is purposeful, and every step is a labor of love. Nature's bounty, delivered through the miracle of technology. This is the harmony we strive for, the balance of the old and the new. The ultimate test of our success is the joy we bring to those who enjoy our products. A simple smile that means everything, pure, smooth, and vibrant. We remove the imperfections but keep the heart, giving you the best of both worlds in every bottle. Our personal guarantee is on every batch, a commitment to you that we will never compromise on the quality of our ingredients. We love what we do, and that passion is the invisible ingredient that makes our juice taste better than any other brand. We use the power of the sun to process the fruit of the sun, a sustainable circle of energy that protects our planet for everyone. The sound of freshness is just a twist away. Open a bottle and let the aroma of 1,000 oranges fill your senses instantly. The journey of thousanded miles ends here, in this perfect bottle, waiting to refresh your day and revitalize your spirit. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Taste the precision, taste the passion, taste the perfection of nature in every single drop.